There's a 3-point hitch on the ST16 Tractor failed, so we're having to fix it also. On this 3-point hitch here, here's the piece right here that broke.
Center link holder.
The little center link holder, it broke right there. Actually, at first I think he says it broke right here, but when he hammered it back over, it broke on this side here. Here's a picture of this center link holder here. It had bent like a banana on one of the sides here. And I actually don't remember which side it was. We pounded it back out with a hammer and actually got it extremely straight. This here just curled in like this. It was just ruined. And when that happened, that's when it broke here, the 3-point hitch. We're on our way over here now to, since our welder's down, to a friend's house to use their welder. Alright, Scratch going over to a friend's house. They never called back, so we're going to go and we're going to MIG weld her. First of all, we got to fix the little old nozzle in here to come off. We got that in there, working on it now. Then we're going to pull her out here, and I'll get some footage of the welding too. There's our little piece over there. First we had to rearrange the entire shop so everything could get over here. We have to pull this out about 2 foot just so it would hook up. We're going to get on it. The end just got back on now. Had to put some slits down in here in the copper there just so that it would hold on. A little fuel line clamp around it just to keep it because it kept falling off.
We're knocking the rivets out of this. It's in my way for clamping in there.
Alright, so it'll lay flat?
Yeah.
A little file.
Yeah. That was an attempt to repair this at one time.
By someone else.
Didn't turn out too good, and then he cut this where this would bypass it.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Man, let's get that in there.
Alright, that's her all mounted up to the bench, getting ready to be welded on. We had to mount this up here with a C-clamp just to hang it off the side, and 2 C-clamps to hold that on. And got a piece of metal underneath it right here. I don't even know if you can see that very good. Just as a spacer, just to elevate it up. Here's the part in here we're going to be welding. Let's go find some other stuff right quick to get started with. Firstly, the bug spray.
Just like this.
Alright, go.
Cannot stand there and look through that.
I'm not watching through it.
You can't look out the side of your eyes either.
I'm not. It's recording. Well. You through?
No. Now I'm through.
Alright, there's the finished weld.
tank finished.
There it is so far. It's getting back on the tractor. Now we gotta put in these little arms and all and get them all in place. Okay, it's getting a little dark on us, but there it is. Let's see if a little night vision will help. Not so much. Got her in here though. Can't really see. Got the pins in it. Oh, there we go. Both sides. Got our pins in it here. Look, our pin in it right there. It's back on the arm and back on here. We are ready to put on the plow and test her out. Alright, there she is with the plow back on her finally. And that will conclude this episode of Fixing That Up.